Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. Few of our subscribers got terminated recently. They submitted genuine documents. They didn't submit any fake documents. They didn't submit any fake degree certificate. They didn't submit any fake Form 16. They have original and genuine past service history. There is no overlapping in PF service history also. However, they got terminated recently. So when I received this information, I really surprised, and I want to communicate this information to you people also. Okay. So now we are in end of the financial year 2022 to 23. Now we need to submit the tax proof. Okay. So before 10 months or 12 months back, we submitted tax professionals in the tax declarations. Now we need to submit the tax proof to reduce the tax deductions in our salary. And some of our followers are submitted some fake bills to reduce the tax deductions, because of which they got terminated. And HR people, they tracked easily in IT declaration portal and they got terminated recently. So please be careful when you submit your tax related documents. Always submit genuine documents to reduce the any unwanted thing in your career record. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you face any background verification related problems, in genuine way you will get the solution. For dual employment, use your tricks first. If doesn't work, worst case, try for different companies, multiple companies. If your background verification continuously rejected, you can connect with me. Worst case, if you didn't get any solutions, you can contact to me. I will tell you the suggestion how to join the new companies. Okay. And for termination cases also, if you face any termination related issues, and welcome to connect with me. I have alternative solution to join in the new companies. And don't come with offer letter. You need to join as per my suggestion. Okay. And you can find my UPI ID and email ID in this video description. And we will discuss once we done your consulting fee. We will discuss over the phone. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.